Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is sleeping at this time. I didn't record the intro for some reason, so I'm doing it now. I'm about to go out and wash my car for a trip to Maryland this weekend. So here it goes. They were cleaning out the pool. They did a good job. Just gotta use the vacuum. There's my eco.
Work it, we're shining bright. The car wash, we own the night. Feel the beat, it's a sweet delight. Keep it moving, everything's alright. Fingers in the suds, we're making way. Turning hard work into moments that we crave. A smile on our faces, we're feeling brave. At the car wash, every car's a stage. Trying to flow, let the engines roar. At the car wash, we always want more. Work it, we're shining bright. At the car wash, we own the night. Feel the beat, it's a sweet delight. Keep it moving, everything's alright. So come and join us, don't be shy. At the car wash, we reach for the sky.
Yeah, we grinding under sun, no time to stall. Making that dough at the car wash, we on the bar. Dreams ain't lofty, but we shine like chrome. Meet the legends while we clean, yeah, accept it like home. Car wash, hustle with style. Everyone here ain't just passing a mile. Yeah. At the car wash, where dreams ignite. We stand tall, work hard, feeling right. With every scrub, we chase that light. At the car wash, we own the night. The engine roars and I'm down on my knees with soap suds on my hands. I'm feeling that breeze. We laugh, we joke, bringing life to the grind. A crew like this you won't ever find. Wash away the stress, let's vibe. Together we rise, feeling that drive. At the car wash, where dreams ignite. We stand tall, work hard, feeling right. With every
I'm done.
we chase that
Check it out.
light. At the car wash, we own the night. Look at the wreck of the girl. At the car wash, shakes the girl. So when you roll through, remember the thrill. At the
So
car wash, we
that's my baby right there.
own the
It's dirty. It's got black streak galore. I'll show you all that when I do the video. But I want to show you a nice before and after video. And that's my shiny truck.
It's springtime again. Gotta clear up this space. Everything in the garage. It's time to embrace. Open up the doors, let the sunlight pour. Pool's ready for fun, let's finally explore. Junkyards on speed dial, gotta make a call. Out with the old, let the new take the fall. So fresh and so clean, clean. 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 roam. Inspections in the cards, we'll be out on the phone. Nature calls my name, can't wait for the thrill. Soon we'll be camping, escaping to the hills. So much to do, but I'm feeling so free. Spring cleaning's here, it's the best time for me. So fresh and so clean, clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. So let's roll up our sleeves, make it right. With every step forward, we're ready to ignite. So fresh and so clean, clean.
It's springtime again. Gotta clear out this space. Everything in the garage, it's time to embrace. Open up the doors, let the sunlight pour. Pool's ready for fun, let's finally explore. Junkyard's on speed dial, gotta make a call. Out with the old, let the new take the fall. So fresh and so clean, clean. 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 My camper looks sharp, ready for the roam. Inspections in the cards, we'll be out on the phone. Nature calls my name, can't wait for the thrill. Soon we'll be camping, escaping to the hills. So much to do, but I'm feeling so free. Spring cleaning's here, it's the best time for me. So fresh and so clean, clean. 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 So let's roll up our sleeves, make it right. With every step forward, we're ready to ignite.
Eco power wash worked great, and the battery was good for half an hour on high, and that's pretty much how long it lasts, I think. Alright, that was it. That was me cleaning my car out, and I'm pretty much done with that. And I decided to buy a new smart micro card for my my car wasn't working on my dash cam, so I decided to buy a nice one, and it should be here within 3 hours, so I can get that working again. It hasn't been working for about a year and a half. So that's about it. So I'm done with this video, and like I said, my next video is cleaning out my RV, but I'm gonna do that next week because this week I'm concentrating on going to Maryland for that competition. Alright, I'm done cleaning my car. I don't know if I explained that to you guys. I'm doing a video right now, I didn't get to the end. But I'm here with my beautiful wife, Shelly. Hi, Shelly made an appearance, nice. And then we came to Sheetz to get gas. And let me tell you, the last 9 months, we didn't go too many places. So everybody was complaining about the gas prices, but we really didn't experience anything because we were filling up once every 3 months. I know. It wasn't that bad. But today I filled up and I still had 3/4 of a tank. Correction, I had a quarter of a tank. Excuse me. And it was like 117 for what, 20 gallons? That was a lot of money. Yeah. That's when it hit right now. So I know what you guys are talking about. I took a picture of it, so I'll put the picture right here so you guys can see it. But luckily we don't travel too much anymore. That's expensive. You guys who are out RVing all the time. Yeah. I don't know if you're saving money anymore. I'm not sure. How's your food, babe?
It's very good.
We wasn't going to eat out, but we saw Sheetz and we were like, oh yeah, we're going to. But for some reason the food didn't hit good this time. You know you're old when you and your wife make a plan to only order one order and then split it. Because we just don't eat all their food.
Well, we don't eat a lot anymore.
Yeah.
We kind of graze throughout the day.
Yeah, when we eat, it's like when we went to Burger King the other day, got one chicken sandwich and one order of onion rings, and we split it. We were good. We were full. And it was only $10. It was $11.
Yeah.
She got a shake, so it brought everything up to like $16. So, but if we would have ordered 2 of them, and then we would have took it home, and then pretend to eat it later.
We never do.
Yeah, usually we just throw it out. Or we forget it in the car and all that good stuff. So I got the car clean. We're ready for this trip. We just got to pack our bags and We'll be heading out Thursday after my appointment. So you have anything, babe?
Nope, I'm good.
Alright, so without further ado, we'll see you
See you
on
guys.
the other side.